How to upload videos on Pinterest. I'll be showing you how to do this on your phone, whether that's on Android or iPhone with the Pinterest app, and I'll show you how to do it on the Pinterest website as well. I have already created a Pinterest business account, but if you want to do it yourself, you want to click on the top right hand corner there, as you'll see on the computer, that little drop down. Then you'll see somewhere where I'm hovering the cursor, it should be there, create business account. And on the Pinterest app, click the bottom right hand corner, we see a little person icon. Then once you're on your profile, click the top right hand corner, little settings cog there, it should be somewhere there. Then go onto your business profile page. As you can see, I'm already on the computer. Get to that page, then click the plus button at the top right hand corner, then click pin. And then on the app, you want to see that little toolbar at the bottom where it says activity. Go to the right hand side of that, it should say pins. Click on there. Then once you've done that, click the top left hand corner, that plus button there. And then on the computer, you want to click the little upwards arrow. And it's going to take you through whether on either device you'll be able to take either off your phone or your computer. You'll be able to put in the video there off your device, and you'll also be able to go through, add like the title and all that type of information there, and you'll be able to publish and go next on each of the steps there. So leave a like, comment and subscribe if that helped.